Okay, quickie here. It's no secret I love rat rods, I love patina, I love all of that. But how do you check your car if it's got a good patina on it? Or should I use a matte or a clear or whatever? How to check it. And it made me think of an easy video here. An awesome way to check it for next to nothing. Get yourself a cheap bottle of water, something sharp to poke it with. Poke some holes down in there. Voila. Perfect patina checker. I'll show you. Okay, let's go over and check the fair lane here for patina. Got my handy checker right here. There. You can see how that just shines now. I like that. Throw a good gloss coat on there and protect all that natural paint job that Mother Nature did. I like that. In here, I'm probably going to paint that in there, but you can kind of get an idea what that's all going to look like. Yeah, that'll look spectacular. Oh, look at there. I even got some metal flake left in there. See how that silver tone green just pops? With that natural custom body lines there. Custom natural fades. I like that. So, there's a quickie. And it vanishes. It goes from gloss to satin to gone. So you can kind of get an idea all the way through what she's going to look like. Okay? Just a quickie, but there she is. And yeah, I think I'm going to paint this probably a pearl white. And I'm going to follow that body line up there and across to there and use that as my cut point. That'll all be white in there. And probably the top too, using the drip rail as my cut point. That'll all be probably a pearl white. Hey, I can use my piece of junk Explorer over there. It'll look like that. Except for all on here. I'll be digging. That'll look good. Alright. Well, quickie there. How to make a patina clear coat checker for next to nothing.